How to easily delete your Kling AI account. Now, if you use and ask Google on how you'd like to delete your Kling AI account, Google will provide you information such as just go directly to your account and there is going to be a delete button, which is actually not. So the easiest way on deleting your Kling account is first thing that you do is to log into the account that you'd like to delete, and this is the only thing that you can do. Now hover your mouse to your current account and then go to Contact Us. The only thing that you can delete your account is to send a request via this specific email address that they have provided us here. So pull up your web browser and then access your Google Mail or either email addresses that you like to use. Send an email to this link, add your account number or your ID from your Kling AI account and just request them to delete or to fully remove your account from the platform. So that's it. That's the easiest way you can do or to delete your Kling AI account.